friends, in previous video we have seen what is OER, that is Open Educational Resource, and later on we have seen about Creative Commons, that is CC license. So in this video we will study or we will explore how to get those licenses to your files, any Word file or PowerPoint presentation, and how to make it OER for the audience. So to get Creative Commons license, the first step is in URL bar you have to type creativecommons.org. In Google also you can type Creative Commons, or directly you can go to this link, that is creativecommons.org. This is a home page of Creative Commons from where you have to take the license of any one of the types that you want to give to your file. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this header region. You can see share your work. So I am clicking on this share your work. Just scroll down the page. This blue box will appear and there you will get one tab, that is Get Started. So I am clicking on this Get Started tab. After clicking on Get Started, it will provide you some information. You just go down to the page, scroll it down, and this box is important. License features. Your choice on this panel will update the other panels on this page. If you remember, in previous video we have seen different types of Creative Commons licenses, that is BY, BYNC, BYND. So there are different types of CC licenses. So out of that, which type of license you want to give to your work, that you have to decide. So for example, the question is allow adaptation of your work to be shared. So you have to click on either yes, no, or yes as long as others share alike. So I am clicking on this tab. It is most preferred one. Allow commercial uses of your work? No. Always say it no, so that other people cannot use that for their commercial purposes. So these two questions are important. You remember, you have to, for first question you have to click on this yes as long as others share alike, and for this second question we'll click on no. So that license symbol will appear like this. You have selected a license of attribution, non-commercial, share alike 4.0 international. Now how to take this license to your PowerPoint presentation, that we will study. We are on the same screen, just I am scrolling it down. You just want to copy this symbol by right clicking on that image and click on copy image. Got it? I'll again repeat the step. You just go to these questions, give these answers, scroll down the page. Now this is your license image. Right click on the image, copy that image, minimize this tab and open your desired presentation or any file where you want to paste that license. Suppose this is my presentation and I have to place that image here. On this presentation I have already incorporated, but for practice I am pasting that image here. See friends, this is your license image. You can make it increase size. This symbol itself consists of many detail about the license, that is, it is BY attribution, non-commercial NC, and SA stands for share alike. So this image pasting is sufficient, but apart from that, if you want to give description regarding this image, then again go to that Google page from where we have copied this image. Now what you have to do, this HTML code language is there. This is a description of this image. So just copy, select it, just left mouse click and select it, copy, go to your presentation and paste that description here. Now resize it so that it will not disturb your actual text of the presentation. I am making it color white. So friends, see, this is a description of this license. What it represents, this license is having creativecommons.org. Then we can see it is non-commercial type, share alike, 4.0 international license. So you can place this box as it is at the bottom of your first slide, or you can just minimize it or delete some unwanted HTML lines. For example, what I have taken here, this work is licensed under Creative Commons attribution. Yeah, from this up to this much part only you have to keep as it is. Rest of the part you can delete. So this is a description of the image about creative license. So in this way you can get CC license from creativecommons.org and paste that license image over first page of your file, either Word file, PDF, PPT, which you want to upload on oercommons.org. That means if your work is available on OER Commons, then anyone can use it. They can make their copies or they can share it depending upon which type of license you have provided to your document. So these are the very simple steps by which you can get CC license to your own work. So I hope you understood this. Just go through the steps, just make a small presentation and take that CC license image and paste it over the first slide of your presentation and submit it as your assignment. Thank you.